How to add or remove a card from Walmart application. Hello everybody. If you guys are also wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step. So first of all, you may head over to Walmart application, and once you are there you should be finding this interface. So all you gotta do is look out for the account option, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and once you are here you need to be signed into your account. So just go ahead and sign in into your account using your credentials. And then when you are signed in, you will be finding this option right here. So you may just go ahead and look out for the wallet option within your given options in your account and tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you will be finding your payment methods. In order to add up a new payment, you can just go ahead and tap on add new payment. After that, enter up your credentials and tap on save card. And that way you can just go ahead and add it up. But if you would like to remove the card, you can just go ahead and look out for the card that has already been added as a payment method. Just go ahead and click on it, and it will show you option to edit your card. You may just go ahead and look out for your credentials here, and you can look out for the option called remove card, which is on the very last option. Just go ahead and tap on it, and once that is done, just go ahead and confirm it. And once you do so, the card will be removed, and that way you will be finding it. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to remove or add a card in Walmart. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.